Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on secure Wi-Fi when you connect it to the public Wi-Fi. So Samsung includes a secure Wi-Fi feature that automatically encrypts your internet traffic when you connect it to an open or a public Wi-Fi network. So it works like a built-in VPN. So let me show you how you can turn on secure Wi-Fi on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we'll go ahead and open up the settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find security and privacy. From here, you want to go ahead and find more security settings. And here you need to find secure Wi-Fi. Tap on this. Now this will basically go through the motions of setting up secure Wi-Fi. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. And now it's all ready for you. So to turn this on, you want to go ahead and tap on protect. Of course, you need to go ahead and connect to that Wi-Fi. So I would go ahead and first go to your Wi-Fi, connect to that secure Wi-Fi. Next, you can go ahead and tap on protect. And the free plan currently only allows you 1 gig per month. So it'll only protect you for 1 gig. So here you can go ahead and protect it. However, you can go ahead and upgrade this to unlimited for £1.79 or 89 pence for 24 hours. So now while you're working at Starbucks, you are basically protected as you're connected to that public Wi-Fi. However, all your information is protected by this secure Wi-Fi from Samsung. So it protects your personal data from hackers. You can safely browse on public hotspot, and you have a peace of mind when traveling or working remotely. So once you're ready, go ahead and tap on protect. And now you've connected to a secure Wi-Fi from Samsung. So there you go, guys. That is how to secure your Wi-Fi when you connect it to a public Wi-Fi on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.